YouTube is a great source for leading interest to your content. It's a very large platform with millions of viewers every day. But what is the main problem for you? You don't have a solid opportunity to turn your viewers or attendees into leads. Your possibilities to set up call to actions are very limited. Wouldn't it be a great deal if you are able to send your attendees directly to an opt-in form without letting them leave your video? Or offering them a pricing table inside your video? Or maybe you want to show them a calendar for making an appointment with you while they are watching the video. A webinar that you send up with WebinarIgnition is offering all these amazing features. You can set up as many call to actions as you like